Hey, future scientists! Welcome back to the amazing microscopic world. I'm Microina, and today we're going even deeper into the tiny things all around us to talk about bacteria. You might have heard the word bacteria and thought, uh-oh, bad news. But guess what? Bacteria are super interesting. They are living creatures, even tinier than your eyelashes. So small you can only see them with a super powerful microscope. They come in all sorts of shapes. Some are like tiny little balls. Some are shaped like rods or even spirals. Bacteria are everywhere. On your skin, in the soil, in the air, and even in your tummy right now. Don't worry, that's normal. We often divide bacteria into two big groups, the bad bacteria and the good bacteria. Let's talk about the bad bacteria first. These are the ones that can sometimes make us feel yucky. If they get into our bodies, they can cause things like a sore throat, a tummy ache, or even a cough. They multiply super fast and can sometimes cause problems if there are too many of them where they shouldn't be. So, how do we keep these bad bacteria from crashing our healthy party? The #1 secret weapon is washing our hands. Scrubbing with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after playing outside, before eating, or after sneezing, sends those bad bacteria straight down the drain. Also, make sure to keep your food safe and clean, and cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze so you don't share any unwanted bacteria friends. But here's the cool part. Some bacteria are actually good bacteria. These are our tiny heroes. For example, did you know that inside your tummy there are billions of good bacteria? They're like little helpers, busy breaking down your food so your body can use all the nutrients to grow big and strong. Some good bacteria even live on your skin and help protect you from the bad ones. You can even find good bacteria in some of your favorite foods, like yogurt. Those special bacteria help make the yogurt yummy and are good for your tummy too. So, next time you hear about bacteria, remember, they're not all bad guys. Many are our tiny allies, helping us stay healthy and strong. By practicing good hygiene, we can keep the bad bacteria away and let our good bacteria friends do their amazing work. That's all for our bacteria adventure today, future scientists. But I have an easy quiz for you. Do you know what scientists call good bacteria? It starts with PRO. Leave your answer at the comment. I will be waiting for your comment.